If your Linux server is online right now, it is probably being attacked. Automated bots hammer SSH ports with thousands of password guesses per hour. Fail2ban is the tool designed to stop them automatically. Fail2ban is a security daemon that continuously monitors your system's log files. Files like var logauth.log, scanning for suspicious patterns. Specifically, it counts repeated failed authentication attempts coming from the same IP address. Multiple failures in a short window is the classic signature of a brute force attack, and Fail2ban recognizes it in real time without any manual intervention. The moment Fail2ban crosses the failure threshold, say 5 failed logins from one IP, it automatically creates a firewall rule using iptables or nftables to block that address entirely. The attacker is cut off at the network level before they ever reach your application. Once the configured ban duration expires, Fail2ban removes the rule on its own. Fail2ban organizes its protection through jails, one per service. Each jail defines which log file to watch, how many failures trigger a ban with max retry, and how long the ban lasts with ban time. SSH is protected by default, but Fail2ban ships with ready-to-use jails for Apache, Nginx, Postfix, and many other services. So Fail2ban monitors logs, detects brute force attacks, and auto-bans the offending IP. Automated server protection with minimal setup. Like and subscribe for more Linux interview prep. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.